5 ladies, including myself, showed up this morning for the first drive. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. Sun is shining. It's going to be a great day for a drive up to kilometer 18. And hopefully we can bring you some laughs and some sights. Boy, oh boy, is the Copper ever looking gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Stunning, some would even say. That on the other side is the other side of the Copper River that you can go up to the Telkwa Pass. Look at that beautiful river down there. And we are all stopped for the Kodak moment. Because man, oh man, what a beautiful, beautiful view of the valley. Right, bud? All right, just made another pit stop with the ladies. Another Kodak moment. Looking down at the river. We just climbed up here a little bit. I want to say we're at kilometer 5 now. And this is that was probably the toughest part of the climb, and now it's going to be fairly level for a little bit until we go back down. This road is definitely a little rougher than the last time I was in there, and I think it looks like they've been logging a little bit in certain areas and they've patched it. Just a little slower going, that's all. All the ladies are still with me, so that's a good thing. As you can see, yeah, we're getting closer. We've only got a couple more kilometers to go. Pretty good view from up here. Lots of big rocks in the road. A whole bunch of rockfall just came down. So, went and cleared a bunch of rocks off the road. A little bit of arm day today, I guess. I'm back for redemption. I got a flashlight with me this time. I hope it works because I didn't even... it works good enough, I guess. You gave me heck for last time for not coming in. All right. Although, I'm not gonna lie, I have no desire to walk through that water. Sorry, Mike. But, hello? No echo.
Oh, isn't that pretty?
That is so cool. You can hear water dripping in there. All right, so back here, there's actually remnants of an old cabin here. A log building of some sort. I shouldn't say cabin, but a log of some sort. And we're going back a long time ago now.
What's in the back there?
All right, we are going up behind the mine.
Up, up, up.
Up, up, up.
Sit.
Sit.
Stay. Stay. You don't want to tell your dog?
No, nope.
Sit.
Not at all. Oh, let's move this. There we go. Sit. Sit. Anyways, I didn't finish my sentence. Yes, we are going up behind the mine here to see if we can find this waterfall and pool that Carl was talking about. Hope the tailgate's closed. Gotta love a Jeep. Oh, Jesus. Oh, this is gonna be steeper yet.
Don't do that, Papa.
Sit.
Face slap. I don't do well with that.
No, I don't either.
Wait. There are a few spots where when I was kind
A little. I know, isn't that beautiful?
of. Here comes the river.
Yeah, same. Uh-oh. Not enough weight in the back or what?
You want me to move back further? I am over the wheel well.
Stay. Oh, look at the river.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. I'll make it so we move.
Oh, you're so close. There you go. Oh, nope. A sticky area up on the hill here. So we got out and walked. And we'll see what happens from here. Come. This part didn't seem too bad, so I opted to walk it. Sure, I'll be huffing and puffing by the time I get to the top, though. I hiked up to the top here. Sorry if my breathing's a little labored. We're just gonna go back, see if we can find this trail into the waterfall. I have to admit, this is turning out to be more of an expedition today than I had thought. I won't say planned, but more than I had thought. Well, Carl, we're having a hard time finding this trail. I'm not gonna lie. Although, it was a pretty cool adventure. Come here. You're rocking it.
Steel ovaries. You like that?
This girl is rocking it in the Jeep, man. I'll give her high kudos for that. Never mind balls of steel, man. She's got, what did we call it? Ovaries of steel?
I call it steel ovaries.
Steel ovaries.
I own it.
we never made it to the falls again. This is what, third time unlucky, but that's okay. We got a hell of an adventure and a drive out of it. Now we're gonna take probably a little walk on the other side down to the river. Cool off for a minute. I'm sure Baxter would appreciate it. Yeah, just a little creek crossing. We're all coming here. And we're gonna walk down to the Copper. Baxter's got the right idea. Well, there was an incredible amount of adventure today. Never did get to the waterfall. Little recap. Never got to the waterfall, never got to the pool, never got to see anything else. We had a very interesting four-wheel drive, riding in a box. Ended up getting out, hiking up. Couldn't find it. Came back down, and then we went across the road and took the trail down to the river and sat out there, and the ladies had lunch. And that was a really, really nice day. So thank you, ladies, for coming out. And thank you, Steph, for taking us up in your Jeep. And now we will have to figure out where we're all going to go on the next one. So until the next one, wow, you must know how it goes by now. Cheers. Done yet. Right at about the 1 kilometer mark here, we are just going to take a little detour, as per Steph, up to a lookout up here, apparently. Always game for another little adventure. Until the next one, cheers.